Hello everyone, I'm Payal and now I'm going to teach you. Can you guess what you can see in your screen? Yes. What is the topic name? A and an. Yes. So now I'm going to teach you a and an article. How to use? Yes. What you can see in your screen? Yes. Two cartoon character? Yes. It's look like you. Cute, yes. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn A and N. A and A and N. So, first, please tell me, do you know vowels and consonants? Vowels and consonant. See, we already studied alphabet A to Z. A to Z. A to Z, how many letter is there? 26. If you count A to Z, so there is a 26 letter. Yes. And vowels, we know very well the vowels. Please tell me. Yes. A, I'm writing here A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U. This we are calling the vowel sound. What we are calling? Vowel sound. Repeat with me. Vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. So in vowels, how many letter is there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Then what is the consonants? Consonants, remaining letters like B, C, D, E is there, so E will not come. F, G, H. I is there, I will not come. C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N. O is there, that's why not will come. P, Q, R, S, T, U. U is there, that's why U will not come. V, W, X, Y, Z. So this remaining 21 letters. 21 letters, it's called consonants. What is called? Consonants. So now basic is clear. What is the vowel and what is the consonants? Now next part is we should know the definition. Definition about consonant and vowel. If we know the basic, if you know the definition, so easily you can answer any example. If suppose someone is giving you example randomly, that time also you can able to answer yes. So see, what is the first definition in this box? Yes, A comes. A comes. Where A will come? Here we are learning. A comes before words that begin with a consonant sound. So, which one? If suppose ball, B is the consonant letter. C, cat. Any word which one is started from consonant letter. First letter is the consonant letter that consonant letter, consonant sound, it will come first letter C, B. There we will use A. What we will use? A. And A and an. And where we will use If suppose any letter, it will start from A, E, I, O, U. There we will write first and. Let's see the example. Example cat. Cat is the C is the consonant letter. That's why we will write the first A. Egg. E is the vowel letter. That's why first it will come an. Bag. B is the consonant letter. That's why first it will come a bag. Ow. O is the vowel letter. That's why it will come first and. Very good. A hand, you can see the example, an apple, an umbrella because A first letter is the vowel. U first letter is the umbrella. Umbrella first letter is U. Ice cream first letter is I. These all three is the vowel letters. That's why first which article we will use? A and an. Let's see the more example. Orange. What will come? A and an because O is the vowel letter. Very good. Ball. It will come A or an. This worksheet try to solve. I hope so. You understood very well this topic. Tomorrow we will see who done these all worksheet and written a correct answer. Bye. Take care. Have a great day.